Hey guys, this is a 2018 VW Atlas. This is actually my wife's car. When we bought it about 4 years ago, we coated everything. I did a full paint correction on it and then put a 5-year ceramic coating on it. This is 4 years later, and 2 out of those 4 years, this thing was parked outside every single day. So we haven't done any kind of standard maintenance on it as far as what we would typically do with customer vehicles, which would include polishing the coating, to do like a full rejuvenation and clean out, because coatings are porous. They still collect material and they still get backed up and clogged, just like your clear coat would. The benefit though is that it's keeping all of that contamination away from your paint and held within the coating. So you can see just after a wash and doing a chemical treatment on the coating to remove any fallout, the water behavior is great. It's beading, it's very hydrophobic. It's everything you expect out of a coating, and this is 4 years down the road. So this coating is still alive and well, and this is a walk around. You can see there's some water spotting if you look really close, but like I said, we didn't do any polishing on an annual basis. That would typically be addressed in a standard professional annual maintenance on a coating. But I'm super happy with these results, and we're 4 years in. Let's see how far we can go.